how to show or hide keyboard button in navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. Sorry, click on keyboard. After click on keyboard, click on default keyboard and you will see, after click on default keyboard, you will see keyboard button on navigation bar is here. If you want to show keyboard button on navigation bar, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see keyboard button on navigation bar is show. If you want to hide keyboard button on navigation bar, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see keyboard button on navigation bar is hide. You will show and hide keyboard button on navigation bar from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide keyboard button in navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.